No student of law can claim not to have heard of the word arrests at some time. For those without a legal background, it is one of the most visible signs of the power of law enforcement. But what does the word arrest really mean? In the course of this video, we will be turning to a total of 8 sources to help us answer that question. In part 1 of lecture 3, we took a deep dive to the power of search and the power to search in a 2 hour 32 minutes and 49 seconds long video. The link to that video can be seen at the left bottom corner of the current slide. The highlights of that video lecture are currently displayed on the screen and include definition, the power of search, the types of search, search without warrant, search with warrant, liability for wrongful procurement of a search warrant, admissibility of evidence obtained in the course of the unlawful execution of a search warrant. In part 2 of lecture 3, we took a deep dive into the power of summons, the power to summon, in a 45 minutes and 14 seconds long video. The link to that video can be seen at the left bottom corner of the current slide. The highlights of that video lecture are currently displayed on the screen and include definition, types, criminal summons, public summons, service of summons within and without jurisdiction, as well as the contents of a summons. In part 3 of lecture 3, that is the current video lecture, we will be taking a deep look at the power of arrests and or the power to arrest. The current screen provides a high-level overview of that subject. It is broken into definition, arrest without a warrant, and arrest with a warrant. In the final part of this series of lectures, that is part 4 of lecture 3, we will squarely focus on the rights and safeguards for an accused person as provided for in the Constitution, the ACJA, the ACJL, the CPA, and the CPC. Let's dive right into the power of arrests or the power to arrest. The first subdivision deals with the power of arrests and the power to arrest. The major subtopics are listed on the screen and include introduction to arrests, the list of case studies to be analyzed. Case study number 1, Suwewe's arrests on August 3, 2019. Definitions of arrests and the scope of arrests under Nigerian criminal law. We look at it from 8 angles: the dictionary angle, the constitutional angle, the ACJ angle, the ACJL angle, the CP angle, and the CPC angle. Then we will take a leap into comparative law. We'll take a look at the United Kingdom law on arrests. We'll consider Section 24 of PACE, Section 24A of PACE, Sadiq versus the States, and Holgate Mohammed versus Duke. The second subdivision deals with arrest without a warrant. The major subtopics are listed on the screen and include who can arrest without warrant, arrest without warrant by the police under the ACIA, the ACJL, the CPA, the CPC, and case law. Arrest without warrant by judicial officers, arrest without warrant by private persons, comparative law, arrest without warrant in the United Kingdom. The third subdivision deals with arrest with a warrant. The major subtopics are as listed on the screen. They include introduction to warrant of arrests, who issues a warrant of arrest, or authority to issue a warrant of arrest, procurement of a warrant of arrest, who executes a warrant of arrest, time of issuance of a warrant of arrest, time of service, that's execution of a warrant of arrest, when a warrant of arrest is employed, lifespan of a warrant of arrests. Contents of a warrant of arrest, execution of a warrant of arrest, execution of a warrant of arrest outside the state of issue, execution of a warrant of arrest outside a state of issue, focusing on the rule of law and the rule of practice, execution of a warrant of arrest within the same state but outside the magisterial district or judicial division of issue under the ACJA, the ACJL, and the CPC. Execution of a warrant of arrest within the same state but outside the magisterial district or judicial division of issue and outside the state of issue under the CPC. Execution of a warrant of arrest not endorsed with bail outside the districts of issue. Definition of a person who is served a warrant of arrest. Powers of police officer to arrest with or without a warrant of arrest. The effects of procedural errors in the issuance of a warrant of arrest on the trial of the accused. The effects of a defective warrant. The effect of not responding to a warrant of arrest. A bench warrant. The connection between bail, endorsement, and warrant of arrest. The procedure for effecting an arrest. Places where no arrest can be made. And drafting warrants of arrests. Arrests with a warrant. The third subdivision of Lecture 3, Part 3 is the most technical and winding part of our consideration of arrests. Please give it the time and attention it deserves. This brings us at the end of our treatment of an overview of the power of arrest and of the powers of arrest. Let's dive right into the first subdivision of Lecture 3, Part 3.